Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this comes from a question that was received in the comments. And it's a good question because some people wonder, if it should be on or off. And here we're talking about a feature that is available within the Windows Security app. The Windows Security app has in its settings a feature that lets it control your the malware protection, but particularly anything that would have to do with ransomware. So in the virus and threat protection option, you have ransomware protection, and when you go here, manage ransomware protection, one of the options is controlled folder access, and it's off, and it is off by default, by the way. So this means that pretty much everybody, this is not functional right now. Should it be turned on or not? For most people, this should be kept off. And the reason is it will actually make your life a little harder by preventing some apps from writing into your different folders like documents and pictures and so on. So what happens is that the controlled folder access is there to protect unwanted access to the different folders on your PC. But the thing is, because a lot of apps get, stopped from writing into different folders, or you'll have to answer questions or say yes or no, it becomes a nightmare for most people that it will always be there annoying you. So this is why it's off, and most people should keep it off. When would you turn this on? Say that you're on a PC that has extremely important information and that you really want to have ransomware protection. For example, you get into a malware, a ransomware, and it starts encrypting files on your folders and stuff like that. Well, this would be impossible with controlled folder access being turned on, because once that ransomware tries to encrypt the files, it would be blocked because controlled folder access would say, well, this is an unknown app that's trying to write to or change things in a folder. And it would essentially block that ransomware to encrypt your drive. So it has it's a good idea, but the problem is, for most people, this should be left at off. Only on really, really important PCs that you really want to manage as the highest level of security should this be turned on. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.